Sorry friend, this will be a short video regarding our concept on ellipse. What is ellipse? Ellipse and hyperbola. We'll start this hyperbola. We'll start these topics from general introduction of ellipse. What is ellipse? We have a cone. And suppose we cut it with a plane, then here would be a part that would be seen. That part is called ellipse. This part what is cut, it is ellipse, and these points are vertex. I will talk about vertices, foci, major axis and minor axis. Other what is to be center, eccentricity, major axis its length, and minor axis its length. Other what is to be known about ellipse. Let's start with definition of ellipse. What is the definition of ellipse? Definition of ellipse is E is always less than, or eccentricity less than unity. What is eccentricity? Eccentricity is the ratio of fixed point perpendicular to the directrix and its ratio from fixed point to the fixed point to the length of directrix. That is, if this is S, this is M and this is F, then eccentricity is equal to SF by FM, and this is always less than 1 for eccentricity. Now if this is a ellipse, then these are vertices, and the axis passing through the vertex is major axis. This is major axis, and perpendicular to it is minor axis. This from here to here it is length of major axis, and from here to here passing through the intersection of perpendicular to the major axis is minor axis, and from here to here it is length of minor axis. Vertices, this and this, and center, this is the center of ellipse. The centricity it is already discussed, and we can find eccentricity for ellipse by using formula. What is formula? B square is equal to A square 1 minus A square. Then how we remember this formula? I give you a tip for eccentricity for ellipse is this, and for hyperbola it is A square minus 1. Since in hyperbola A is greater than 1, so it comes before 1 because this is minus, and in ellipse A is less than 1, so we put E after 1 so that it does not come in minus. Thanks. This much for now. Stay tuned. Goodbye.